Welcome to Babonga's channel. If you wanna know how you can draw a Christmas bauble like this, follow me until the end of this video. Make a circle any way you can. And then, using your pencil, add shade to one side. The point is to make the 2D circle look like a 3D sphere. Clean the edge to enhance the impression and work on it like this. Smoothing and shading takes a little time, but it's worth it. Select a bright colored marker and create a striped pattern, totally random. Fill the pattern as much as you like. Try to start coloring from the unshaded side to avoid smudging. Change colors, but always choose bright ones, because dark colors don't work well with this kind of drawing. If needed, enhance the shading a little bit with your pencil over the marker, as I do here. If you are good at it, then you don't have to take care of the details as I do here. Now let's add the eye hook. First, draw it, and then, with your pencil, shade it to make it look more realistic. Finally, add the color. Our Christmas bauble is almost ready. Now, if you like, you can add a thicker outline. And you can also enhance the lines of your pattern. Use your eraser to create a shine, and finally touch a little bit with your pencil the opposite side. And this was how you can draw an easy Christmas bauble.